everyone! Today, we're going to draw our favorite character, Hello Kitty, along with a cute dress for her. So let's get started. First, we'll start with Hello Kitty's head. Draw a large oval shape with slightly flattened sides. Now, let's give her the iconic bow. Draw a small circle on the upper left side of the head. Add 2 loops on either side of the circle and connect them back to the circle to form the bow. Next, let's add Hello Kitty's facial features. Draw 2 small, oval eyes near the center of the face. Then, add a tiny oval nose between and slightly below the eyes. Finish off with 3 small whiskers on each side of the face. Next, draw a smaller oval below the head for the body. Hello Kitty's body is quite small compared to her head. For the dress, draw a wavy line below the body to represent the hem of the dress. Then, draw 2 lines extending from the top of the dress to the bottom to form the dress shape.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll.
Pink color.
E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for goat, goat. H is for hand, hand. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jump, jump. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mat, mat. N is for net, net. O is for orange,
light blue color.
Orange. P is for pet, pet. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for toad, toad.
Red color.
U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for watch, watch. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra.
Round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go
your very own Hello Kitty doll drawing with a cute dress. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Until next, goodbye.